Need to replace your Acura MDX key fob battery? It's an easy DIY task. The 2022-2024 models use a CR2032 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the small indentation on the side of the fob. Gently pry it open. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive plus side faces up. Insert the new battery correctly and snap the fob back together. Test it by unlocking your car. This saves you time and money compared to a dealership visit. Remember to recycle the old battery. If your fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery's polarity and clean the contacts with rubbing alcohol. Battery life is typically 1 to 2 years. Keep an eye on future trends. Acura may move towards rechargeable fobs or smartphone integration via Acura Link, potentially eliminating battery replacements. Also, look out for sustainable materials in future fobs. For now, DIY battery changes are standard, so keep those CR2032s handy.